First things first, let's talk about this packaging. Clean, minimalistic, but undeniably bold with that signature Jumpman logo. It's already setting the tone for what's inside. Are you ready to crack this open? Let's do it. The Jordan 4 Retro Fear, ladies and gents. This pair is nothing short of a masterpiece. Look at those details. We're talking premium nubuck leather, bold accents, and that gradient midsole, just chef's kiss. Let's break this down. The upper. Smooth nubuck in varying shades of gray, creating that smoky, ominous vibe. The black accents tie it all together, and, oh man, check out the Jumpman logo on the tongue and heel. Absolute fire. Now, the midsole is where it gets artistic. That gradient fade from black to white represents the duality of fear and overcoming it. And the outsole. Classic Jordan craftsmanship, grippy and durable, perfect whether you're hitting the court or the streets. And guess what? It gets even better. Rep Sneaker is celebrating the holidays with their epic Rsnow Christmas and New Year giveaway, running until January 8th. You heard me right, this is your chance to snag some awesome prizes just by entering. Here's what you can win. First prize, a pair of shoes valued up to $130. Second prize, a stylish tracksuit. Third and fourth prizes, a 27% discount coupon. Amazing, right? Now, here's how you can join. Follow their 2 Instagram accounts, YouTube channel, and TikTok. Main Instagram at rs_net_official. QC Instagram at rsnow.net_QC. YouTube, Rsnow01. TikTok, Rsnow04. Post the giveaway poster on your Instagram or TikTok with the hashtag #RSNOW and tag their main account. Write a glowing review on Trustpilot about your experience. Don't forget to join their Discord channel and click the Join Giveaway button. Rep Sneaker will announce the lucky winners in their Discord channel on January 8th, so make sure to check in and respond within 48 hours if you win. Oh, and remember to keep screenshots of your participation as proof, or you might miss out. Thanks for watching, fam. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to for more unboxings, giveaways, and epic finds. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and the best of luck in the Rsnow giveaway. See you in the next video.